is the way it's done.
She tells me no now, Jen.
Yeah. Where's my phone?
Whoa. And the first piece.
Oh, this is too good.
I need a freaking picture of this.
I know. Yay! Oh.
Oh, I gotta get in front. Hold on.
That's great.
You get that cake. It's yours. It's all yours.
Yeah.
It's all yours.
Oh,
It's all yours. Oh.
Bailey, look at Mama.
good girl.
Bailey, can I have some? Bailey.
Yeah.
Oh, this is too good. I can't stand it. Oh.
Perfect. That picture you just took was perfect.
Bailey, look up here. Oh. She's gonna throw up. She's seriously gonna vomit.
Oh.
I can't wait to see how good the cake is coming up.
Yay!
Oh, this is the best. This is the best thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yay!
This is the most well-documented cake eating ever in the history of cake eating.
Yeah.
You get that cake.
Oh. Yo, where's your big camera, Jen?
I know, I already mentioned Dave. Forgot
That's
it.
alright. As you can see, we have quite a...
Oh my
Oh my
goodness.
god. She hasn't even gotten to the cake yet.
Yeah. I wonder if it's going to be as
Look at the nose.
you know?
Sorry.
You're good, you're good.
Push your back a little bit.
Don't worry, Grandma. Transy.
Keep shoveling it in, girls.
How good is that?
Look at her nose.
Yeah.
Happy day.
Did you do this? Did you get to see how this cake?
No, she was in London.
Oh, that's too bad. That's the best thing about a 1-year-old's birthday party.
That's great.
I'm gonna cry.
She's a total performer, by the way, if you guys noticed.
She just makes me cry.
She's such a performer.
Look at all this.
All four of you.
The paparazzi.
Yeah, paparazzi.
Paparazzi?
That's right. I'm a poppy. I'm a
I'm just
dadarazzi.
gonna get one more close up.
Of course.
Babe, look at me, baby. Bailey, look at Mama. Look at Mama with that face.
I need
Camera shoving.
a picture from her
I know.
Okay,
Here we go, Bailey.
here, I got it.
Of you
Here we go.
with all these cameras in her face.
Here we go, Bailey. That's the cake right there. Oh. Spoon cam.
Oh, that was close, Mom. That was close.
Bailey, look up here.
Spoon cam. Oh.
Oh my
There you go. Get in there.
That's what we had at the party at this house.
god! Yay!
She's like, look.
Rena said,
But I did.
they're coming over tonight. I said, yeah. She said she's got a cake. She said, yeah. She rolled her eyes.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Yay, cake!
Oh, there it goes.
Right.
She's
Hanging
done.
out.
All right. All right.
Okay, we're done.
Hey.
No, no.
Nelly's first cake, over and done.
Oh, she found the spoon. Yay.
Spoon cam.
Spoon cam.
One more still. I got
Let's see what it was like from Bailey's point of view. Mmm. Oh.
Oh, this is just the best thing I think I've ever seen.
I'm waiting for the picture.
Yeah, when they first come out, you're so worried about what they put in their body.
I know.
Bye, Bailey.
Formula, and now look at her. Welcome to the toxic wasteland of being.
Oh, she's, I think enough.
Yeah, she's